Welcome to New World Fashion Group. We are manufacture clothing made in Vietnam. And our office in London, our design in London, the marketing, and we had whole team work in Vietnam. We had 25-year experience working with customers from UK, Europe, and American. We are to be the partner. And we continue to invest our factory, our people, our teamwork to be professional.
New World Fashion Group was founded since 1990, but officially we started to invest in Vietnam in 1992. We were present in Vietnam as a female fashion brand from the very first days of the growing garment industry.
Hello, my name is John Holliday. I'm a sales director here in the New World Fashion Group London head office. We've been here for about 25 years now, and in this building we're very fortunate that we have 8 full-time designers working with 4 teams, salespeople and dedicated merchandising staff to look after very large UK and European-based retailers. We communicate daily on the phone via Skype and video conference with our teams dedicated in each of the 5 wholly owned factories in Vietnam. We have 3 lovely showrooms here. The beauty, of course, of having a UK and London specific base is that we're probably in the best shopping city in the world, where we can get the very, very latest shopping information, market information, and feed that back to our colleagues and also to our customers back here in the UK and in Europe.
Hello, my name's Rosie and I'm the design director here at New World Fashion. In London we have a dedicated design team who work on designing women's wear, children's wear and men's wear for our showrooms in London and Vietnam. Also, each designer is allocated to customers and works alongside these customers with the sales team and the merchandising teams. All first samples are created in Vietnam, working with our pattern, technical and sample room teams. We have a great reputation for attention to detail, with the hand beading, fabric manipulation, stitch detailing, even the inside of our garments are considered. Over the recent years we've grown a global customer base, covering the UK, Germany, France, Brazil, Australia and Korea. So our intelligence and understanding of product development globally is very strong.
My name is Cherie Munro. I am the sales director here in our Haiphong office, responsible for our direct business. New World Fashion Group was founded in the early 1990s by Mr. Nam Pham, whom I have personally known for 15 years. He left Vietnam in the 1980s and arrived in the UK via Hong Kong with only 10 Hong Kong dollars to his name. Now in 2015 we turn over almost $100 million and we are the leading company in Vietnam who specialise in women's woven tailoring fashion. I rejoined New World Fashion Group in early 2014 after I moved back to my home country of New Zealand, and am now focused on developing our business into more worldwide markets including Australia, New Zealand, Japan, South Korea, Europe, South Africa and the United States. These clients are managed directly from our Haiphong office, which now accounts for over 50% of the total business. Each of our direct sales teams consist of a salesperson or account manager, production merchandisers and sample coordinators. We focus on consistent training and learning to ensure our teams are always moving forward and adjusting our methods to the ever-changing needs of this fast-moving business. Our future goal is to supply all major countries in the world. We are moving into our new state-of-the-art sourcing offices later on the year.
Hi, I'm Chamila, Group Technical and QA Director. Welcome to Development Center. Here we convert fabric into the technical garment and all the way up to the production. So behind this long process, we have very strong technical team. Before the production, we prepare everything here and then we send one package to the factory. So factory just cut and make only.
Hi, my name is Philip. I'm the head pattern maker of New World Fashion Group. Welcome to the pattern team. Our mission is to provide with accurate pattern making to make a creative vision to come alive.
We have around 15 pattern cutters. They are using Gerber system, Gerber technology. That is one of the best technology in the world now. And also they are making around 450 to 500 patterns per month. We have around 23 sample makers here. Produce around 700 samples per month with high quality. And also we have newest machine now. We just bought the automatic cutting machine. This is our sample quality assurance team. So they are responsible to check all the samples and make sure all the samples are up to the customer standard.
We continue to invest in our supply chain systems and structure. From the very first sample patterns and samples sent to our customers, through the fitting and sealing process and subsequent pattern technology used to get into production. These functions take place in dedicated offices and facilities annexed to our factories in Haiphong in the north and Ho Chi Minh in the south. Our management of the critical path is key to our success.
New World Fashion Group apply high technology machine and using garment tech in production to save the time for manufacturing for garment and review code for garment. They can help our workers make the garment more faster, accurate and nicer. Especially we can meet high quality standard and short delivery from customer. Also we can give to customer best price which we can compete again with other suppliers.
I started working with Mr. Nam from 2006. He's really motivated ourselves. We are in Dong Thai. We have 1,350 workers, 32 production lines. We produce per 1 month that nearly 350,000 to 400,000. We have also QA from Philippines. Always we try to keep shipment fast and keep on the delivery on time.
I'm Aaron Evans. I'm the Fabric Sourcing and Technical Director for New World. My main responsibility is sourcing high quality fabrics worldwide, ensuring fabrics are technically acceptable for the customer. Fabric quality is such an essential part of the business and important for continual growth as well. We do this by testing in accredited labs throughout the world, mainly in China, UK and also in Vietnam. And we also place quality systems and procedures throughout pre-production all the way through to final fabric inspection. We do this by only sourcing from fabric mills that can demonstrate and prove they comply to these policies. Such an important aspect nowadays, especially with the growing and everyday concerns of the environment. This not only covers pollution but also the well-being of every person in the process. So important that we know the supply chain from fibre to fabric and know that all these policies are actually being met by those suppliers.
With continuous investment in state-of-the-art machinery, modern systems, we deliver the best efficiencies, consistent quality, on-time deliveries and world-beating values. The monthly capacity of these factories is 1.6 million garments. The turnover of New World Fashion Group in 2014 was $91 million. At New World Fashion, we ensure that our number one resource, our workers, work in a safe and comfortable environment. Every year, each of our factories, working in partnership with local fire prevention teams and local government departments, practice evacuation in the event of a fire, and fire and prevention and safety measures. We consider our workers and management as equal members of the New World family. If anyone has an issue or difficulty, communication of that issue is easy, whether through the workers' union, which anyone is free to join, or directly to the management, and support will be given. We also support the local communities and charities. We provide a football pitch, and annually we hold a football competition for both female and male teams.
Hi, I'm Sujiva from Sri Lanka. My job title is Deputy General Director for all the operations. So I work in New World Fashion, been now nearly 9 years. I'm very happy to work the New World Fashion, especially is our chairman as well, who the guiding us all the time, support for us, take care of the career. So of course I like work with him from my bottom heart.
In addition to this, we enjoy company days out, when the whole workforce can get together as equals, forget about the stresses and strains of everyday work, and perhaps enjoy a day at the beach. At New World Fashion Group, we put great store in our continuous investment, people, factories, and in our machinery. We have the very latest fabric shrinking machines. These machines pre-shrink the fabric to make sure that the fabric remains stable prior to cutting. There is also no further shrinkage when steam is applied during the garment finishing process. We also have high-quality, extremely precise and efficient spreading machines. The biggest advantage of all of these automatic spreading machines is that the whole spreading process can be controlled by only one worker, while the efficiency and quality of spreading is greatly improved. Automatic, computer-controlled cutting machines. These machines run extremely quickly. The quality is very high, as is the efficiency in the cutting room. A fully programmable automatic stitching machine. This machine can stitch many different shapes, circles, ovals, squares, extremely efficiently and with 100% consistency. It is 10 times faster than using a human operative. High-speed edge-controlled seaming machines. These machines can adjust seams at a high speed and with great accuracy. Wrapping and knotting machines, otherwise known as whipping machines. These machines improve the security of the attachment of the buttons to our garments. The very latest 5-thread overlock machines. These machines sew and overlock the seam with 5 threads at great speed and also cut the thread automatically. Automatic button attach machines. These machines work at great speed and accuracy. A fully automated thread suction machine designed to remove all loose thread and dust particles from finished garments. A recent investment of over $1 million in state-of-the-art MACP pressing equipment. This includes underpressing, blown finishing and final pressing. In order to deal with the issues associated with manufacturing in a humid country, we have set up rooms with dehumidifiers to ensure that our garments are dry before packing. New World Fashion Group has been growing constantly. We are proud of this fact. It has been possible because every part of our business works together and complements each other, from the initial meetings with our customers, through production development, and finally manufacturing and exporting.